Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about Jhap Tal, which is the 10-beat rhythm cycle in tabla rhythm. It goes like this. Dhi na, dhi, dhi na, thi na, dhi, dhi na, dhi na, dhi, dhi na, thi na, dhi, dhi na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is Jhap Tal. Let's break it down part by part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dhi na, dhi, dhi na. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2 is equivalent to dhi na. Then 3, 4, 5 is equivalent to dhi, dhi na. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or dhi na, dhi, dhi na. Then comes the next half, which is thi na, dhi, dhi na or 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thi na, dhi, dhi na. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me stitch it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dhi na, dhi, dhi na. Dhi na, dhi, dhi na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dhi na, dhi, dhi na. Dhi na, dhi, dhi na. As you can see, the clap and wave is a bit different, and for all these 10 beats we have dedicated places. So let me explain when to clap and when to put your pinky down and whatsoever. So for beat 1, I keep my left palm up and then I clap it down. 1. Then for the second beat, I do this. I take my pinky and put it down on my palm. So 1, 2. For third one here, I have another clap. So clap again. Then for fourth beat, I put my pinky down, and then for fifth, it's the ring. So it's clap, pinky, ring. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Or you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clap, pinky, ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clap, pinky, ring. For the second half, it's very similar. 6 is wave. I wave my hand, and then I bring my thumb and touch the tip of my pinky on the right hand. So 6, 7, and then 8 again clap, pinky, ring. So if I stitch it together, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's add the first half and the second half. It goes like this. Clap, pinky, ring. Wave, pinky, clap, pinky, ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dhi na, dhi, dhi na. Dhi na, dhi, dhi na.